Hi there, it's Mary from stampingmary.stampinup.net. Thank you for joining me today. Today's project is a mini matchbox. Now, I've made this before using designer series paper, but today I'm making it with cardstock, and I'm using products from the Stampin' Up mini catalogue. I'm using the Sweet Conversations bundle, so that's the stamp set, and these are the various dies. You'll find it on pages 9 and 10 of the mini catalogue. There's no stamping with this one, just die cutting. So I'm going to show you how I made it. So you'll need a piece of cardstock that measures 6 inches by 3. I made it using I did the score marks using my trimmer. So on the portrait side, so that's that 3-inch side, bring your cardstock into the 2.5 inch mark. Push that cutting blade out of the way and score at 2.5. Turn it over and score again at 2.5. This is on the portrait side. And then on the landscape side, so that 6-inch side, you're going to score again at 2, 2.5, 4.5 and 5. I have put all of the cutting measurements in the description bar below, by the way, as well as a link to the products that I've used for the Stampin' Up products. So just fold on all of those score lines. You're going to give them a burnish with your bone folder. And there should be one more. That's the top one, that's it. So you're going to cut away these little small score lines. Sorry, my words just disappeared there for a moment. So you've got your 1/2 inch there and 1/2 inch there, so you're just going to cut these little tabs. Turn around and cut them again. You can notch them if you want to. You don't really need to, but up to you. Alright. Okay, so that's all those side tabs there. So they're going to come in, and the box will come together like this. So you've got the wider piece down the bottom. That's the front of the matchbox. It's only little, so you might fit a little. These would be great if you are maybe having a little party and you want to make little party favors. The belly band pops off and then opens up like that. I should have showed you that at the beginning of the video, huh? Little after dinner mints. You can fit cute little jewelry in there as well. It's cute, right? And the little heart, I die cut 2 hearts and then just folded them. But I'll show you that once I finish the box. So yeah, so these 2 pieces come in, that folds back up there, and then this one comes in and folds down there. What we're going to do though is with that narrower piece at the top, we're going to cut that away. I'm going to cut that away completely. Don't need it. Grab some of your tear and tape, and you're going to put tape on this inside piece here because that's going to fold up and be the back. Okay, inside piece, tear and tape. Let's do it. Away. Just there. There. I don't bother putting any on these little tabs because it doesn't really need it. You can if you want to, but it's not really essential. Okay, and then just bring that little tab in. Bring that tab in, fold that one back there. Yeah, same on that side, fold your little tab in, that little tab, bring that there, and you have it. There you have it. And then these two fold in, and this one folds over like that. And the belly band will keep it all together. So for the belly band, this measures 1.5 by 6, this one. So which colour? Well, we use the hearts again. I'll need my trimmer again, and we're going to score at 2 inches, 2.5, 4.5, and 5. Fold and burnish. And that then comes around there like that. And that holds the box together. It's the front. Easy, 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 easy. Some tape on there. Don't make it too tight because you've got to be able to get it off, but you want it to be tight enough. Right, so this designer series paper, there's some of the paper there. It's got the cute little text me, hug me, you are cute. I went ahead with the dies and I've already cut out one of them. So all of the dies, the heart dies in this set, they all cut out the various hearts from the designer series paper, which I always think is so good because, you know, you just make such good use of this paper. So like I said, I've already gone ahead and die cut my hearts. I'm just going to fold 1.5 and then fold them both in half, I should say. And then we just need a little bit of glue, a little bit in there, just a little bit of Tombow. And then with my other heart, I'm just going to keep it closed up and then just pop it there and just give it a minute to set. I'll pop it to one side while it's doing its thing. Okay, let's do that there. We might put our little heart on here. I've used a little mini dimensional to pop that on. Oh, that's not a mini one, but that's okay. Pop that there. I'm just going to give it a slight crease just so it's got a bit of dimension to it. And then I also used the time, so there's so many heart dies in this set. I'm going to use a couple here. Some glue dots. When I find my glue dots, here they are. Down there, just while I'm waiting, I'll pop them on now while I'm waiting for the larger heart to dry. What's going on here with these? Okay, not having a good adhesive day today, am I? There. And then this one should be just ready. Yep. And let's just put a little bit of Tombow on here. I could put a dimensional on there, but this will probably work just as well. This is going to take a little bit longer to dry, that's all. There we go. Put that on there. And it's done. Get these all out of the way. That's the one I just made, and that's the one I had made earlier. It's cute, right? Cute little thing. Such a cute little project. Really, really, really easy to make. Just using the fabulous dies. Here they all are here, all the various ones. So many heart dies in here with a beautiful tag. Highly recommend this set. So there you have it, little mini matchbox using the Sweet Conversations bundle. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact me, and I have put a link and dimensions in the description bar below. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.